I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com. First, let's get your bank account linked. Open the Crypto.com app and tap on Fiat Wallet. From there, select Transfer, then Deposit, and choose your local currency. You will then add your bank account details. Make sure to follow the verification steps carefully to ensure a smooth connection. This initial setup is crucial for your future transactions. Now that your bank account is linked, it's time to deposit funds. Go to your linked bank account and initiate a transfer to the details provided by Crypto.com. It is vital to include the unique reference code in your transfer notes. This ensures your funds are correctly allocated. Remember, the name on your bank account must exactly match your Crypto.com profile. Funds usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days. With your funds successfully deposited into your Fiat wallet, you are ready to buy Bitcoin. Head over to the Buy section within the app. Select Bitcoin from the wide array of cryptocurrencies available. Enter the exact amount you wish to purchase, using your available Fiat balance. Always take a moment to review your order details before confirming your transaction. Congratulations, you are now a Bitcoin owner. To keep your investments safe, always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication on your Crypto.com account for an extra layer of protection. For larger amounts or long-term holding, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet. Always double-check every transaction before confirming. Staying informed about market trends and best practices will help you make smart decisions on your crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.